Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Don't get
It's Lola.
They are animals. They might do it for your face. You cannot drive us tomorrow.
What's up? That's Lola, right? What is she saying? What is she saying, huh? Okay, you can go inside now. Pogi, step on. Yes. Good job, Pogi. You can say hi to Lolo, look. That's Lolo, right? Okay, you can go inside now. Okay. There you go. Good job, Pogi. Whoops, sorry. That's my bad. Nice. Good job. Good night, Pogi.